dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Alright, my wonderful people, I welcome you now back once again to my wonderful channel. The matter what I can give you today be say Olumide Akpata. Now, one of the lawyers will decide to join the race for the leadership of Edo State this year. So you don't come out and talk say they go anybody wait if Edo State money before or during his watch. Hey, my people don't be small we go. But before I go here on the main story, I go like welcome on to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist. As we they give on a back to back updates and information as they hot. So may not go anywhere, more relax. I could bring the food gist to you. But if today is your first time to join our wonderful channel, I beg may you like, subscribe and share. But don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime our news drops, so that now you go be the first to watch. And my people not be small kata they happen. I mean this government election. But make una no worry. I gotta bring una the food gist as they come our way. To all our amazing subscribers, I welcome una especially to my wonderful channel. Thank you so much for joining. And my people, may we dive into the main story. Olumide Akpata. Now, one of the lawyers will decide to join the governorship race for Edo State this year. He is contesting on the Labour Party. Olumide Akpata, now person who don't practice law for over 3 decades. Olumide Akpata say he demotivated because of him desire to impact more people. So if now only one person reach for family, say all of them now poor, they poor. Olumide Akpata talk as he answer question about why he decide to run for inside inclusive interview with BBC. He said God don't bless him. He say he don't be lawyer for 31 years and he don't try as a lawyer. That as a private citizen, he don't try to impact people where they around them. He don't try to help them. But as a private individual, he say he get the one where we say you fit do rich. Because now only government get the power to affect the most number of people. Now contesting on that talk from critics where say Olumide Akpata lack political experience to win. But people don't want to know the shake Labour Party candidates. We believe say the misconception about say now only person will be experienced politician feel lead. Now him put Nigeria where he did with the election of the wrong people into office. When they ask Olumide Akpata say, waiting be government, waiting be politics. Olumide Akpata talk say, management of men and resources, nine be politics. That if they gather people together, organize them. Olumide Akpata talk say, they can make sure say everything where those people suppose get as a group, they get up. He say who they run in business and office, they manage men and resources. And that's not the basic experience where person need. When Olumide Akpata was asked, wetin be the issue when you dey manage resources, prioritization, resources allocation, how then they share the money, wetin we want use and do? Olumide Akpata say, they go use and do education or they go use and fly people go London. Now the decision they go make be that. Akpata also believes say inexperience at the president of the Nigeria Bar Association give him an edge for this election. Olumide Akpata was the immediate past president of the Nigeria Bar Association. So to win president of Nigeria Bar Association, he handled 126 branches at that time around the entire country. So all of them, each lawyer, he convinced them. He ran against 2 senior advocates of Nigeria and he beat them, dust them and give them better gap. Olumide Akpata talk say, today underestimated now the strongest weapon for this country if you want win. He say he knows say people they look him as a common man, people they use one kind eye they look him, but in they sure say this election say go win up. Hey, my people be small matter. When Olumide Akpata was asked about in government how go they ignite revolution for the agricultural sector, and talk say moving on to him plan to move Edo State forward if he win. Say agriculture they top for his agenda. Say agriculture na something we suppose don't put eye since. Now waiting government suppose don't put eye since for Edo State. That if they scratch ground small, they go see something. That they go start to they harvest. He said for he know say they know they feed themselves for Edo State. But na disgrace, na shame suppose they catch them. Say agriculture na where him and him team as government go put eye. Say they go ignite a revolution in the agricultural sector. The agriculture na one area where fit provide jobs if they do am well. That means say work go dey. Say rural urban migration too go still dey. If agriculture dey boom for village, say nobody go just dey rush dey go town. Say government go take agriculture as major economic activities. Olumide Akpata say So security na also something wey in government go make sure say dey look into. Say government under Labour Party go provide security. Say no say farmers no dey fit go farm. So security dey critical for Edo State. Say for those days, forest rangers dey go make sure say they get security for their farmer settlement, because they wan set up farmer settlement for all of the 18 local government areas, and na that one im go put eye. Hey, they come ask Olumide Akpata say they hear say im go hold anybody wey thief Edo State money before or during his watch. Say how you want to do am? Olumide Akpata come talk say according to corruption perception index ranking 2023, that Nigeria moved 5 places up to the rank 145 out of 180 countries wey dem assess. So na one thing wey sabi people say dey join dey worry Nigeria and her development. Akpata talk rough on the area of corruption though. He said the first thing na leadership by example. So you both say na wetin be the tone at the top. Say him be Benin man, him no be thief. Say the thing him value the most na him name. He said when the people wey dey system know say oga no be thief, him get zero tolerance for corruption. Olumide say him don succeed as a lawyer for 31 years, starting from nearly nothing to where him dey now. Olumide talk say those people wey dey system say if they apply their mind, say that money wey they find, they go get am. Now when they find shortcut, na problem dey come. When he emerge as governor, him no go dey corrupt, and the system go know say zero tolerance dey for corruption. Now whom they catch, now they go use as example who thief Edo State money under his watch, whether they thief am as him be governor or before him reach there. Anybody wey thief Edo State money, they go hold am. My people don't be small matter. Concerning INEC matter, Olumide Akpata talk say in dey reasonable confidence say INEC go conduct better election. The Labour Party and their presidential candidate for the 2023 election been carry INEC go court. At the end of that process, say them no do credible election. No ask Akpata if he believes say this election go dey free, fair and credible, because now off-cycle election, the kind focus they need INEC to pay on Edo State on that day, one fit dey sure say e go dey. So Olumide Akpata dey talk say no be only resident electoral commission dey oversee election for state. So if to say now only him hand dey the matter, say maybe he hard for the court for now. Say them go deploy national commissioner and directors from Abuja, so different people dey inside the matter. So one man no fit just come kolobi the whole thing. On in immediate priority, if he win, Olumide Akpata talk say the number one priority wey him get be say na electricity, because without light they really no fit achieve much. The number 2 na security, road infrastructure na number 3 for am. See if people no dey move, economy no fit move. See in the shame wey him see how road be for Edo State. He no fit talk because the whole matter tire am. Because up till now, the past government no even fit do anything concerning light and road for Edo State. But him no say if he emerge as governor, say na that one be priority, na that place now he go focus on. So my people, I go like know wetin I think about this matter in our comment section. I go like hear from una. Once again, thank you so much for staying curious. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment, awareness. Stay safe, guys. Bye.